Good morning, everyone. Newborn Investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market SPY and QQQ gapping up, but looks like it's a mixed trend. No clear direction as of now. No buyers going into market open. So I'll wait until market open to see how QQQ and SPY reacts and then define my trades based on that. We do have around 12 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching SPY. SPY staying strong. Got in around 7. Not liking it. Getting one out at a loss. I did not like how it was hesitating to drop. Out for now. Got in around 780. Trying to get out at 790. See how it quickly came back. My idea was right. I should have held on to it. Got in around 660. Not liking it. Out for now. 880 I got in. Selling for now. Didn't get it. As soon as I sold, it just broke the pre-market low. Bummer there. Staying strong. I'll keep watching. Trying to get above the EMA. Getting beaten down. Can it make a new high? $620 I got in. Stop would be high of this candle. Taking some out at 670. They're now just holding one. out. That was a perfect trade. Puts me green on the day. SPX below 3,775. It's all over the place, and I think that's the problem with this state of the market. I'm not comfortable staying in the trade, so I'm just looking for quick scalps. 30 minutes into the day, I do have some other stuffs that I need to take care of today. I don't want to risk my modest gains, so I think I will wrap it up for today. Not a great day of trading, but still happy to be green. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.